Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix people nearby not loading on Telegram. So if it's not loading, then the first thing you have to do, just go to Play Store here, and here then you have to go to the search bar, and here you have to go for the Telegram, right? And make sure that you update your Telegram here. If there's option of updating in the place of open, update your Telegram right now. Once you update it, right, the second thing you have to do, you have to just go to your settings. And here in the settings, you have to go to the app section, then just go to the app management. In the search bar here, you have to look for Telegram. It will show you all the application which is available here in your phone. Now here, look for Telegram, right? And right now I am not able to find it because I've hidden that app. So I will just open it up. And you can also follow this method. Click on the top right side corner in the three methods here. Now once you're here, you have to go to the settings bar here, and here you will find this option of data and storage. Now go to the bottom, click on delete all cloud drafts here, and once you do it, click on reset auto downloading settings, get back to here, and after that you will able to see this people nearby feature. And if it's not loading, then this could be the reason of this one, because Telegram has dropped this feature here, which is people nearby, and they are monitoring it, and soon it will call businesses nearby, because there was a lot of bots and scamming through this people nearby section. That's why in your case, in your country, Telegram might have removed it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.